Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device model and OS version so you use compatible files. Once done, back up your existing call theme settings and ringtones to avoid loss. Next, download the theme package and an unzip tool. This ensures you can inspect assets. You should also enable developer or theme installation options if required. By starting with these steps, you eliminate common mismatches and make the installation process predictable and reversible. You'll extract the theme package and inspect icons, layout XML, and audio files to understand structure. Then edit XML values to match your device's resolution and widget ID so elements render correctly. This prevents misaligned buttons. Next, replace or add ringtone files in the correct app or system folder and set file permissions to be readable by the phone. Make sure to keep naming consistent once changed. Reboot or reload the theme engine to apply assets. You apply the modified theme, reboot the device, and test the incoming call UI to verify visuals and sound. If things fail, revert to your backup so you have a working baseline, then inspect logs or error messages to pinpoint the issue. Make sure file permissions are correct and XML ID match system expectations. This is the key fix when elements don't load. If necessary, re-export the package and repeat installation. Once stable, keep a clean backup for future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.